Hey everyone, thanks for joining me for the May 2021 video update on my progress working on Myelin after the harvest. Alright, the first thing that people might notice are these two buttons up here in the top right corner above the messages feed. This one will hide and show the messages entirely, which can be handy if you're playing on a small screen like a mobile phone and the messages are blocking your interaction with the map, or you just want to kind of clear some screen real estate. The other button will toggle between showing, by default, your most recent messages, which is any messages from the last 30 seconds, or the last 1,000 messages, or at least back until you logged in. Another nice addition to the client here are some new icons, and in fact a new system for 16 by 16 colorized icons. We can see it here on the character sheet at the bottom with the different damage types, showing our resistance to those damage types. So some nice simple icons. I also have a how-to video on this channel if you want to implement the same kind of icon system in your app or game. The bulk of the focus for the past few months has been on the combat system and especially the combat UI. So we're in combat now against a team of 8 crawlers. I'm a little outnumbered, but at least I can see that, first off, I'm in round 1. So this is a nice detail we've added here. This top bar is going to show us some information about the combat as it progresses. And I can also see which actions I can take that might end my turn. Due to our icon system being added to the buttons, this little icon here indicates that if I select this action, attack or end turn, it will end my turn. So I don't have to figure that out by trial and error. So let me go to attack. I can now see, by hovering over either of my attack options, the differences between the two attacks and some data around them. First, I can see how much damage they do. I can see what type of damage they do. I can see their range. I can see how much they might cost me. And I can see which stats and skills they rely on. So since my player character is outnumbered, I'm going to log in as a second player and join this combat while it's in the middle of a round. That's a new feature that we didn't have before. In fact, there was no reliable way to have a player join another player's combat. So I can see the other combat marked with a skull on my map. And so I know if I step into that square, it'll take me into combat. So I go ahead and do that. I've been added to the combat. However, I'm currently queued up to join. So you may note my player character is not yet actually on the map. I'm going to make an attack here, and then we'll wait until the end of the round where my other player character will join in. Cool, so I can see now that my other player character has joined the fray, and I can go ahead and move about the map, or I can make an attack. Feel free to check out the progress of the game's development on my Twitch stream, or follow me on Twitter for the occasional text update.